This video is a tutorial on how to use the DALI Dimming Module. This demo setup includes the System Power Module, the IoT Smart Gateway, the DALI Dimming Module, and the 8-button Smart Switch panel. The test lights use a DTA driver connected to a tunable white downlight. The DALI module is powered by 220 volts. At the lower left corner of the DALI module, we connect a 2-wire cable. This cable outputs the DALI signal, 低正 and 低负. It connects to the DTA driver. The driver's AC power is supplied separately through a breaker. Next, set the DALI module ID to 3. Set the panel ID to 4. Use the bus connector to connect the gateway and the module. After connecting, the power and the bus indicators are on. Use a focal cable to connect the panel. Turn on the breaker to power the DALI lights. Connect the gateway to the computer. Double-click to open the debugging software. And create a new project. Search for the gateway and connect to the 210 gateway. This is the system environment we have set up: the IoT Smart Gateway, the DALI Dimming Module, and the 8-button Smart Switch panel. Import them into the project. Open the DALI debugging tool. Select the gateway IP 210 and device ID 3. Click Connect. First, we set the driver. Wait until the task bar becomes 0. Then search for devices. The more devices connected, the longer the search takes. With 64 devices, it may take about 5 minutes. Now we have one test line online. We can control, turn on, turn off, adjust color temperature. We can also make the lights flash to locate it easily. We can rename the short address. Assign the light to group 1. After grouping, we can control the group together. Create points. Add group 1 channels, dimming channel, and color temperature channel. Click the search icon to check the real-time status. Create scenes. All on. %100. ，all off. 0%. 1 light. 2500K. cool light. 6,500K. Neutral light. 4,500K. Panel binding. Add panel button points. Bind things to buttons. Button 1, all on. Button 2, all off. Button 3, warm. Button 4, cool. Button 5, neutral. Upload the program. Wait for the gateway to reboot. Finally, test using the panel. Button 1, all on. Button 2, all off. Button 3, warm. Button 4, cool. Button 5, neutral.